You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yomi Adu and I'm the CEO of Europe Travels and Tours. Yeah, we're going to have a tour to a pig farm today. Yes, this pig farm, we visited the place sometimes last week and we shot 2 videos there. The one you're about to watch, that's the pig farming, and the first one was the dump site of settlers that we did something about, where we saw that young man. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to drop the link to that dump site settlers. I'm going to drop the link so that you can be opportune to watch it if you are yet to watch it. All right, so pig farming, we all know, is a very lucrative business. Yes, or selling of pig meat called pork, and it's a very lucrative one because pigs, they are very prolific. That is why when a female pig gives birth, it may give birth to 10 or 15 piglets at once. That makes it to be a very, very lucrative business. Okay, in our journey today, we met a woman that's a farmer, a pig farmer, a female pig farmer, and she spoke with one of our crew because this woman could only speak Creole. So one of the crew members interviewed her. I want you to watch this video to the very end. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you are going to watch the video. As I said, if you have any questions, you can direct it to the comment section. I will surely answer the questions.
Mama, how the body? How you dey do? What's your name? Mama Aminata Kamara. Okay, now here you dey stay?
No.
Not where you dey stay. Oh, okay. Now for all of them things they are making, they are all day. Okay. So that's small thing they are all day. So then just born, eh? Oh, this is so lovely. This is so cameraman, they are showing them thing they are. So now the mama this, they all two na kumbra. This one don't born, this one don't born. So how you can able to survive? What do they can eat? Where then they waiting?
That's some medicine we buy, the capsule, we put out for them.
Okay.
Cook rest for them.
When they cook rest for them. So then say they eat Gary. Then they eat Gary. Oh, so I see something and this gone. I don't know now waiting this. Now this thing can eat this back?
No.
They're not eating there.
They eat this.
Oh, now rest this.
Yeah.
But if I hope say this not well. Well, this don't well now. So then can need fresh rest.
Yeah.
But then they eat the well one as well again.
No.
They know they eat well waiting.
No.
Okay. So now you can treat them always. So where how you they know say they're sick?
No.
No say they're sick. And now somebody they call treat them or now you they treat them.
I may buy that capsule.
Now you they buy the capsule
Yeah.
and treat them. Oh, wonderful. So what's in the capsule in them where you can get them in there? You get any packet for her?
No.
You know get nothing for her. When I can go buy now.
No.
So whose capsule were the white? You know, so get different capsules there.
White and black and white.
Red and white and black and white. Now they you they give away them sick. Okay. So how much of their wire you don't get to? Oh, then when sick in come, then they die. Oh, okay. Okay. So if you want sell, how much you can sell one? So one of this one. If somebody want this one, how much you go able to sell and give the person?
No, we sell right now.
No, just say if you want sell them. Like somebody want buy. I know say you need to sell. No, not to say na any other. Me na you own picking. Yes, and what would they do something? But let me say 500 you go get her.
No possible.
1 million. Now for tell me because I go and buy one way you go come meant for me. Now that make I dey ask you.
No,
Oh, you don't want to tell me the price? Okay, that's fine. No problem. But I hope say when I count me own, or where I say go buy for me. If I give that amount, say that 500. So, but you need to show me the price. You need to show me the price. Okay, now society. Okay, thank you very much, Mama. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right, guys. Having watched the video, do you have any questions? Do you have any comments? I want you to put it in the comment section. I will surely answer them. So, till I come your way again, I remain ever sincerely yours, Yomi Adu. Keep watching Era of Travels and Tours YouTube channel.